In this video, we are going to see how we can use and access the Google Sheets for the first time on your browser. So just remember guys, to use Google Sheets, you need a browser. And right now I'm using Google Chrome because that is Google product. But you can basically use any particular browser, Firefox, Edge, whatever you want. You just need a Gmail account or a Google account, which most of the people already have. After that, just make sure that it is signed in to have a smooth process about it. And after that, you can simply go to Google, and the simplest method is just write Google Sheets here. And as soon as you click on Google Sheets, it will ask you to sign in. You can simply sign in with your Gmail account. I already have one, so it directly brings me to create one sheet. The other way can be just write on the URL sheets.google.com. That's it. Hit enter and it will bring you to the same area. Also, what you can do is, if you, let's say, are in Google Drive, what you can do is just click on new, go to Google Sheets, or go to more if it shows only 3 options. Go to Google Sheets and click on create a blank spreadsheet. You can also use some of them from template. There are many templates that is already created for your convenience, but let's just explore the blank spreadsheet. So this is the most convenient way. You can just simply write sheets.google.com. So next time, whenever you want to access it, you just write sheets.google.com. That's it. One other way of accessing that is, since we have already signed in into our Google account in the browser, you can just click on this 4, or you can say this 8 dots, multiple dots basically, that is used to access Google apps. And that is my favorite method. Just click on this and you can access any of the applications right here. Click on Sheets from here and it will again bring you to this area. So guys, this is how you can create the Google Sheets or access Google Sheets. Now the method of the training is, you will see one lecture and you will make sure that you are on the same setup page by signing into Google, by opening any particular website that I want you to, and by doing that same activity what is demonstrated in the video. So just make sure that you are on the same page before starting the next video. So just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.